baby, I'm back. How was your breakfast this morning?
Miss Golden, you know, say I'm really psycho. What is for? And what if you're weird? You need to go see doctor or something, man. I want to go home to my wife, miss my family.
Shut up. This is my wedding day. Don't ruin it. This is for us.
There can be no us.
Listen. Do you remember yesterday, baby, I told you I had a surprise for you?
This is more than a surprise.
Alright, baby, listen. No more games. If you do this for me, I'll set you free. I promise I'll just set you free.
I'm going to do it, but more as you done, want to set me free.
Promise you. One more thing, baby, before I forgot. I'm pregnant.